If you're looking for a good and affordable hosting provider, you should definitely look into Namehero. So Namehero is kind of the up and rising hosting provider and a lot of people have been using it. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can 1. Buy it. Number 2, how you can link it between your domain provider to Namehero. So for domain provider, I'm using Namecheap. How I'm going to connect between Namecheap and Namehero. Number 3, I'm going to install WordPress in the hosting service. And number 4, I'm going to install a theme inside the WordPress. So all these 4 steps will be shown in this video. And if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Ken. I help businesses to grow using digital marketing. And this channel talks a lot about digital marketing. And if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, do subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future video. And with that, let's jump into my computer and I can show you how this Namehero hosting works. So let's go. Let's go ahead and go to the website namehero.com. As of this recording, there is a promotion running for Namehero, which is 70% off, and this is a pre-Black Friday sale, so maybe Black Friday will be cheaper and things like that. And you can get this Namehero account in the link in the description box below, so you can, it's an affiliate link, and if you get it, it will really help me out. Let's go through all the packages that they have. Okay, so there's web hosting and reseller hosting. When you go for reseller hosting, it's usually for people that have a web development agency where they can resell the hosting to other people. So for now, for this business, for most small businesses, I think you can just go to web hosting. And let's look at the packages that they have. So you can see now there's a few different packages. There's Starter Cloud, Plus Cloud, Turbo Cloud, and also Business Cloud. One of the major differences are, of course, the amount of websites that you can put into this hosting. So for example, 7 websites, you can have 7 different domains inside. Unlimited website, if you have a lot of websites, they can use it. So this is usually used for affiliate marketing. If you have a lot of websites, you can just use this. And also the RAM, which is the speed, and also the storage, all is free. You have an auto SSL, which is really good, so you don't have to purchase a separate SSL. The difference between Starter and Plus Cloud and Turbo and Business Cloud is, of course, the NVMe storage. So this storage is, of course, is faster and better than whatever storage that we have here, but it's still good enough if you are a small business to try using Starter Cloud or Plus Cloud. And they have different other enhancement there as well. The price difference is not a lot of difference. As you can see, it's only like $2 difference between each packages. So again, depending on what kind of usage that you want. So for me, myself, I have a few domain that I want to put in. So it's not just only one domain. So I'm gonna take the Plus Cloud. But if you are the kind that have a lot of domains, you can always go for a Turbo Cloud. Let's just choose the Plus Cloud. As I mentioned, now there's a promotion, so from time to time they have promotion, so just you can get it from the link on my description box below, or you can just come here and then just wait for the discount to come over. Okay, so I'll choose this Plus Cloud because I need 7 websites, and let's just click order now. So I have a domain. For me personally, I would prefer have hosting and domain put in a separate place. So for domain registrar, I prefer to use Namecheap. I don't think they are from the same company, but yeah, one Namehero, one Namecheap. But generally, I would prefer to use the different domain providers. So for this, I use Namecheap, but for hosting, I'll be using Namehero. So I'll use the domain that I own. So let's just click next. So you choose a billing cycle. Of course, the higher the billing cycle, the cheaper it is. For me, I think I'll keep it into just 2 years, right in the middle, instead of using 1 year. Okay, now there's a few packages. As usual, all the businesses you need to have upsell in order to maximize the lifetime value of a customer. So as you can see, we like to have a drop down auto backup. So for now, let's just see if you need backup, there will be 5 GB. I don't need backup because I have another plugin to do the backups. I have the video that show the plugin I use for all the WordPress backup, so you can check in the description somewhere. And you need a dedicated IP address. For now, no, I don't need it. So for malware scanning, I don't need. For SSL certificate, yeah, this will do, the free one will do. Okay, now let's just click continue. Alright, now let's proceed with the checkout. So it is 117, as you can see there's a discounted 65%, so it's 117.18 for 2 years, which is pretty good deal. Alright, let's go create new account. So finally checkout. Alright, now we're done with the checkout, so let's go to client area to have a look at how things will be. Continue to client area. Alright, so now you're at the dashboard. Now you have to click on My Cloud. Just click on one, click on it. Then you can see the information here. Alright, so view details. So this is the name server. So now what we do, we will point the name servers from Namecheap to Namehero, so that when I use that domain name, it is pointed to this hosting, and this is where all. So for domain is just like an address. For hosting, is like the actual land that's being built. So with this, we need somewhere that this the address point to, and this is what we are doing right now. Okay, so now to put the name server, so this is to name server. Okay, you go to Namecheap. Okay, go to the domain. So this is the domain that I want to put it in, finexdigital.com. Click on manage, and you can see the name server here, name server basic. Now we are using the Namecheap basic DNS, but we want to change it to custom DNS. We use the name server here, and name server here is one, right? Which is same as here. Okay, then you just click OK. So it may take up to 48 hours. Usually it's pretty fast. For .com, usually it's very fast. So let's just continue and let's install WordPress for this hosting. So now you have linked the domain, Namecheap domain, with the hosting provider. So next thing I want to do is to install WordPress. So let's go to here. Alright, you go to the C panel, click on it. Then you go to WordPress, which is all the way at the bottom. Click on the WordPress. So you click on install now. As the hosting comes with HTTPS, comes with SSL, so you can install directly to the HTTPS website. So the protocol you choose here wisely. Click here, click on HTTPS. Alright. So for the admin username, do not use the admin username for like admin, the word admin, because it will be easier to hack. Use something that's unique to you and you can remember. Okay, fill up the information. So the password, make sure it's safe. Admin email, don't put admin as well, please. Whatever it is, don't use the word admin because it's very easy to hack. English, Namehero. So advanced option, the themes, I'll use my own theme later, which is a DB theme. I'll show it later when I install the theme. Then install. Now it's installed successfully. All you have to do is now go to the admin side, click on it, and now the next thing we need to do is to install the DB theme. For me, I use Elegant theme, right, which is actually the theme for DB. DB, they have many good packages. The packages that I like the most is the lifetime package. So this is what I get, which I can use in multiple websites, and they're quite affordable as well. If you're interested, click on the link in the description box below and get it. Okay, so I'll just download the DB theme. Alright, and it comes with the builder as well. So this is also drag and drop builder. So if I'm using this theme, I don't have to like install the builder separately. Okay. Now let's go to here to install the theme. All you have to do is just go to appearance, go to themes, click add new, upload theme, choose file. This one install now. So you see it's installing. Wait, and you can activate. So now you can see it's activated. When you go to your site, you will see that it is in DB theme and it's SSL activated. Alright, so yeah, so that's how you can get the hosting from Namehero. They're affordable and pretty good. So now what I've gone through, I've purchased the domain, the hosting from Namehero, and then I link Namehero hosting with the domain name provider Namecheap, and then I installed WordPress here, and after that I installed the DB theme, which you can use to design your website. And all this as well, you can see that for Namehero, it comes with a free SSL certificate. So this is a pretty good deal. It's quite affordable, so if you're interested, do get it. You can find the link in the description box below. So yeah, go ahead. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. If you're looking for a hosting provider, look no further, look for Namehero. It is really good and it is affordable. So you can get Namehero with the link in the description box below. Just click on it. They're having promotion right now and get it as soon as you can. And with that, if you like this video, give me a like or a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe to this channel. This channel talks about digital marketing. So turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future video. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.